to ESC TV. My name's Catriona Jennings and this is Donna Fitzsimons. We're both cardiovascular specialist nurses and Donna is the current chair of the Council on Cardiovascular Nursing and Allied Professions. Donna, could you tell us a bit more about CCNAP?
I will, Catriona, thank you. CCNAP exists to support the ESC in its mission to reduce the burden of cardiovascular disease in Europe. We have programmes within education, practice and research.
And what are your current projects?
Okay, within clinical practice we have a very interesting initiative around guideline implementation for nurses and allied health professionals. In education, our committee is working to develop a core nursing curriculum, and within research we are developing our postdoctoral mentorship programme currently.
That sounds very impressive. Can you tell me a bit more about the Guidelines Initiative? Yes,
Catriona, I'd love to. Within the Guidelines Initiative, we're working very closely with the Committee for Clinical Practice Guidelines in the ESC, and we're seeking to develop a toolkit that would really enable nurses and allied health professionals to become much more effective in implementation of the clinical practice guidelines. Within that toolkit, we think we should have a survey that will evaluate the current practice and attitudes of nurses and allied health professionals to guideline implementation. We would also want to include some training material and videos that will help them to stimulate their thinking around ways to improve their practice and guideline implementation, and also to develop some educational materials such as lecture notes and slide presentations that will encourage them to become more active in this regard.
Sounds great. And when do you think that you'll be launching this initiative?
The toolkit will be launched in Dubrovnik at our annual Euro Heart Care Conference on the 8th to 9th of May 2015. The focus of that Congress is actually clinical practice guidelines, care to implement. And within Dubrovnik we will launch the guidelines toolkit, and also very importantly bring the Euro Heart Care educational resource to an Eastern European nursing and allied health professional audience, and that's a very important part of our strategy to widen the reach of CCNAP within Europe.
Well, thank you very much for talking to us about that, Donna. If you're a nurse and you're interested in joining CCNAP, please go to the CCNAP page on the ESC website and join us today. And please also join us in Dubrovnik. Thank you.
Thank you.